Beers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
Definitely worth the like 15-minute hike, but it's a straight up hike. Put your shoes on. Goodbye, house.
Bye.
You were a good friend. Look at this Mingarulia. Oh, I got one of these at home. It doesn't look like this. You see in this Mingarulia? These are your goals right there. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of plant's that?
Is that a bobvila?
It is a bobgenvila. Yeah. All right, let's go. Look for scooters. All right, so we bought tickets on the local train to 7, and that should take us to the other train station, the high-speed rail. We're just trying to running to get there. And it was 25 each. 2A, okay. So maybe we missed the first one? So we knew that the train station, the high-speed rail station, was pretty far outside of Tainan, like a 3.5-hour walk. And we read online on the internet we could get for about 2 minutes on the side of the road that you could take a free shuttle bus from the roundabout outside the train station, but we couldn't find it.
It doesn't seem to exist.
No.
Also, you were positive in your research there is absolutely no train from here to the high-speed rail station.
Yeah, but it seems that there is a train from, we're hoping, the regular rail station in Tainan all the way down to the high-speed rail. Hopefully we get there. The high-speed rail apparently is called Shalun?
Yeah.
Either that or we're going somewhere totally unrelated and I don't know what's up. I guess we'll see. Well, that's literally a good sign. Womp womp. You like my jokes?
I did like it.
Yeah. So we brought our vouchers again from Cook to this place, and the lady gave us tickets and reserved us seats, and we're taking this super fast train that should arrive in about an hour and a half in Taipei. Although we've got about 40 minutes to find some food, go to the washroom, figure our stuff out.
Most stuff.
Yeah, Talib Kuali.
Most burger.
Oh yeah, that's most burger. Wonder if they got veggie burgers. To train. Seems like there's only one platform, so we win. I think you could hold this really heavy bag on my arm.
Oh, I'd love to.
Thanks. We got our traditional snacks for the train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got one of those double cheese breads you tried.
Yeah, they're good. I think we're in car 6.
Says my name.
It says
It's on the other side. Car 2.
Car 2, 16E, okay. Northbound platform. Guess we're going north. Going back to Taipei.
To the thing in the north.
To the thing in the north. Oh, remember in Romania, the Gare du Nord?
Yeah, the Gare du Nord.
The Gare du Nord!
The Gare du Nord.
The Gare du Nord! maybe I could intersplice some Romania footage
Yeah.
of the Gare du Nord.
Throw in just a drop of thrones.
Yeah. Nice little mashup of thrones in Romania. So we are here. We were here the other day. That's where Kaohsiung is. And we're gonna go blip, 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 whoop. Where is it? Up there. Yeah. We're taking an express though, so it should skip most of those stations. There's a nice lady pointed out that the next train, if we waited 7 minutes, would be an express and we'd save a lot more time.
Yeah.
So. Beers with Jives. That guy right there. We're gonna taste some beers. Yay! So, during our whole trip, we've been drinking basically 2 of the main Taiwan beers. This guy and the classic. Now, we just each bought one to kind of see what the difference is.
Yeah, the 7-Eleven, the difference is only like 7 Taiwanese dollars.
Yeah.
Just for a frame of reference, 25 is the equivalent to $1 Canadian dollar. So 7 isn't a whole lot. But this one's point whatever % stronger, and I can't really taste the difference. So how much do you care about strength? Can you taste the difference? How much is 7 Taiwanese dollars worth to you?
Yeah, I think mine was $41. And I think yours was 48 or something like that. It varies from store to store.
Cheaper in the grocery store for sure.
Yeah. We just got these from 7-Eleven, so yeah, let's give them a try. Maybe you can open mine. I'm trying to open with my right hand. Slightly sweeter.
feel like that one's slightly waterier.
Yeah, but it's slightly less strong. And I always find as the beer gets stronger, it gets sweeter, which makes sense, right?
How's it like making love in a canoe? It's nothing close to water. Still that from Eric Idle.
Anyway, I'm glad I bought this one. I like it better. You like that one better?
Yeah.
We win. Onward.
Yeah, time.
So because we have a couple hours before we can check in, we decided to check out some city sights, and we're headed to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Don't act like it's not a big deal.
it's a big deal.
We know you're impressed. We know it.